Any sales today, Waluigi? Nah. That sucks. So anyway, guys, I haven't really found anybody to infect at all. Oh, hold up. Is that what I think it is over there? A perfect host. Yes. I must infect him immediately. Ew. What was that? I'm coughing a lot. Waluigi, I got a cough. Wah. I have a cough. I don't know why. Do you think it? No, it's not that. It's just a cough. How are we gonna solve that? I don't know. I'll go check the items. I'm dying over here. Waluigi, please get the items. Are you sure that's a virus? Because it sounds like your voice is a bit better. Hold up. This should work. Okay, anyway, just sit back. I'm just, gonna go back. What you doing? Oh, What? Did it work? No. Darn it. Well, back to the drawing board. What else could cure the cough that we have? I don't... No. Oh, there we go. Voice back to better. This should work. There we go. Ice flower. Let's see. I don't think that worked. Yeah. Oh, I know. Something that we should have actually done the first time. Yes, howdy do. You called the doctor. What do you need? I have a cough. Very bad one. Hold up. Let me go get the medication. Ah, yes. Here we go. Here's the medication. This should work well with the cough. I don't want to cough anymore. My God, thank you. Thank you, my brother. It's literally my job. Of course I had to. Anyway, so about payment. Waluigi, run! When? The dude wants payment! Go!